Parker Veriflo's BDV Series ultra-high purity bulk diaphragm valve features a positive retraction tied diaphragm designed for precise gas and liquid control in semiconductor manufacturing. Its high-flow, low-pressure performance makes it ideal for bulk distribution, valve manifold boxes, and tool hookup applications where purity is critical. The BDV valve offers easy adjustment with clear open and close position indication, so operators can quickly verify valve status at a glance. Its tied diaphragm design delivers exceptional reliability and extended cycle life for long-lasting performance in demanding semiconductor environments. With a fully swept contoured flow path, the BDV provides high-flow capability for bulk gas distribution and low-pressure applications. The valve's adaptability is enhanced by multiple end connection types and sizes, making it easy to integrate into a variety of system configurations. Built from electro-polished 316L stainless steel, the BDV delivers excellent corrosion resistance while maintaining ultra-high purity performance. For performance protection, every internal seal is 100% helium leak tested before shipping to ensure leak-tight integrity. For added safety and confidence, the metal-to-metal body seal is also 100% helium leak tested for reliable operation. When the internal seal closes, it remains stationary, eliminating friction and preventing wear. This design extends service life while maintaining ultra-high purity performance. For help selecting or configuring your BDV valve, contact Valen's technical specialist today.